Hey everyone, welcome back to Automate with Amit. And in this video, we are going to talk about does certification matters or not. So in my previous live session where I was giving answers to all the questions asked by many candidates or many automation testing or manual testing people, I got this question that whether certification matters or not, or whether we should do any ISTQB kind of certification or not. So in this video we are going to talk about that only, that does certification matters, or what type of certifications we should do, whether it helps in the career growth or not. And I am also going to tell whether I have done any certifications so far or not. So let's get inside the video. Hi, my name is Amit Tripathi and I have more than 9 years of working experience in IT industry and automation testing, and I make videos on career, automation testing, latest trends and technologies in automation. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe, because I am going to share and I keep on sharing day to day, or any new technologies which are coming in the market. So this is going to be super useful for you. So make sure you subscribe, and if you like this video, at the end you can hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's get inside. Okay, so before we begin, let's understand the purpose of certification. What is the purpose? Basically, when we talk about certification, why do we do that? So either, when we try to do any certification, there are, things that we wanted some kind of career growth, or we wanted some kind of learning. So if your intention while doing the certification is to learn more and then showcase what you are learning, then I think that's a good motive behind doing any certification. But if you are just doing certification for the sake of certification, or showing it off, then that is not going to help you. So there are many courses that people take on Udemy or any other platforms. They just take that, and just for sake of completion they complete it and don't practice it anyway. So learning a skill, if that is the motive behind doing any certification, then that is going to help you to really get that certification. Certification is just that one stamp people give, that okay, this person has done or have achieved this skill, but they haven't tested you, right? They haven't tested that whether you have acquired that particular skill or not. So it is kind of somebody is certifying, but if that certification does not involve any kind of question answers, or any passing kind of, or examination through which that certification is being provided, then that's of no use, and that is not going to help you also. Even if you will show off in your resume or your interviews, you will be asked questions related to that skill. So if you are not going to reply or answer that particular question, that certification is worthless. Okay. So if you are doing certification, make sure your purpose is to have the skill. Okay. And if you are getting the skill without any certification also, there is no harm in doing that. Okay. Now, second thing is worth of certification. So what is worth? How one decide that this certification really means a lot? So if any particular agency or any particular training institute who is providing that certification is credible enough to justify the certification, or justify the skills learned on their platform, whether that candidate has learned properly, or behind that, if there are any question answer series is there, and after that only passing level is there. Like if I say that after you have done any certification, there is an exam, and if you achieve 90% or 95% of skill or marks in that particular certification exam, then only they are going to show you the certification. So but again, that certification, the training company who is providing you training, or the person who is providing you the training, if that person is credible enough, then only the worth of certification will also be will also matter. Otherwise, you are on your own with the skill. So if you can showcase the skill, there is no need of certification. It's just plain piece of paper that says that you have in pictorial form rather than written text that you have achieved that. So it's just a piece of paper where it has been written that you are certified to have this skill. But if you haven't actually, that certification is worthless. Now, next thing is when you should do certification. So, if you are at the start of your career where you think that you are going to acquire a particular skill, and if you show that certificate to somebody, that's going to create some credibility for you in front of resume, in the resume or in front of the employer, then definitely you should learn and you should do the certification. And if it is mandatory for you to go beyond your current career, then definitely you should do that. But if not, you should not go beyond or behind certification. Rather than you should be following the path of learning a skill. And if you just go nowadays, if you see on Udemy or any other platforms, or on from the YouTube also, people are learning a skill, and if you are implementing that skill, there is no need to showcase your certification as such. It's just on people on LinkedIn, people just show that, okay, this certification, I have been rewarded this certification. That simply means you are showing a picture and people are seeing to it, and by seeing that, just okay, people are aware that okay, this person has done this certification. So if your case is like that, that's going to help you. Okay, just showcase and learn the skill and showcase. So if that helps you to grow in your career, definitely do it. So when you are learning the skill and you are not bound to showcase any certification as such, then you need not to do any certification as such. Okay, there are a couple of ISTQB kind of certifications are there. So I personally, if I tell you my experience, I never done any certification in my life, in my career so far. ISTQB, one of the biggest and largest organization who provides certification on different skills in QA domain. So many of my friends, when we started our career, they did ISTQB. But I think that certification just to show you that just to show employers or any person that this person is certified by ISTQB, and that company is internationally recognized. So that's why it gives you some weightage. But I never, because I haven't done any certification in my life, but it never stopped me growing in my career as such. Okay, so I think it does not really matter whether you have any certification, you have done any certification, and whether you have learned the actual skill and you have implemented it. That's only, I think, that matters, because I focus more on learning the skill rather than getting the certification and showing off on the LinkedIn, or that is the platform where we show off that we have acquired this things, and people don't have the real skills in their portfolio. So what do you think? Let me know what are your thoughts. Does certification really helps you or help you in your career to grow or to get promoted? And does it help you to get any particular job due to only these kind of certifications? So let me know in the comment box, and that's my thoughts, whether I should be doing or we should be doing the certification or not. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because I am going to bring more and more videos on latest technologies like artificial intelligence related, and what we can do in automation testing using artificial intelligence. So if you wanted to stay ahead with the technology in automation testing, then definitely you can subscribe my channel, and see you in the next one.